What if I told you that some YouTube niches are almost designed to go viral, even if you're a small creator? Imagine posting a video today and waking up to thousands of views tomorrow, not by luck, but by choosing the right niche. Hey everyone, I'm Uncle Sam, and welcome to my channel. If you ever wonder how to grow your YouTube channel fast and make your videos look amazing, you're in the right place. Create easy-to-follow tutorials that show you exactly how to edit your channel quickly and get more subscribers without wasting time. This channel, you'll learn tips on video editing, tricks to make your content stand out, and how the YouTube algorithm works so you can grow faster. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, hit that subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and make your amazing content and grow together. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something special to share with you. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Revealing 5 powerful YouTube niches that are set to go viral, especially in 2026. Stay till the end because the last niche is one of the fastest growing on the platform right now. First niche is storytelling and emotional content. Think dramatic narration, survival stories, and mystery style videos. That keeps viewers hooked. Videos that tell the totality of emotional content keep viewers with for longer, which boosts attendance to algorithm and push your content. Second niche is AI and tech-related content. With the rise of AI tools, people are constantly searching for tutorials, tips, and new discoveries. Content like AI tools you must try, how to make money with AI, as an AI type for extreme interest and future-focused curiosity. The third niche is motivational self-improvement intent. Short payas often go viral because they are highly shareable and relatable. Your video makes people feel inspired or emotional within the first few seconds. They are more likely to watch till the end and share it with others. The fourth and fifth niches are faceless educational content and reaction style content. Faceless videos like facts tutorials. Plainer videos are easy to produce and scale. Reaction videos attract attention because people love seeing real opinions and emotions. Combine curiosity to the titles, strong hooks, and engaging storytelling with these niches, your chances of going viral on YouTube increase massively. If you made it to the end of this video, that means you're serious about growing on YouTube. So don't just watch and scroll away. Take action now. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next viral strategy. Drop a like if you found this helpful, and leave a comment telling me which niche you're starting with. Your engagement helps this video reach more creators like you, and I truly appreciate your support. Let's grow together.